Hindi na totally free si CapCut. Pag-uusapan natin yan for today's video. Let's find out. So hello guys, this is me again, Vlognerem. For those content creator na they rely editing their videos on CapCut, actually ngayon ko lang siya napansin. Ngayon ko lang napagtanto that a lot of features of CapCut ay kailangan na subscription. I know a lot of content creator are doing their video editing, especially on TikTok, on Shorts, using this app. Kasi yun nga, napaka-accessible niya, napaka-convenient, and a lot of its features is very helpful for you to edit your videos. And ang isa sa napansin ko recently, that every time you open the app,
one hand.
may pop-up ads na din siya. Ang dami na niyang pa-ads. And it's quite hassle on my part. It's quite annoying. Every time that you open your app, may nagpa-pop up na ads. And for the past few weeks, hindi ko siya napansin. But the stabilize option, kailangan na subscription. When you, dati ini-enjoy natin na even though yung natin, yung audio recording natin is not that good, but we can fix it through reduce noise. Pero ngayon kailangan mo na rin ng subscription before you could reduce the noise of your video or your recording. A lot of very important features. Loudness adjustment niya dun sa volume, kailangan mo na din subscription. Motion blur, kailangan mo na din ng subscription. And a lot of things, kailangan mo na ng subscription. A lot of content creator rely on CapCut to edit their videos kasi may may mga templates na even for TikTok that you just have to click it, tas dadirect ka na sa app in order for you to do that. Pero ngayon nagkakaroon na ng restriction between that kasi nga maraming features na lilipat na in a subscription mode. And let me see, the subscription is pretty expensive. Ngayon, nakasa 225 pesos siya per month. 225 pesos per month, 2,150 in a year. Discounted to But kung walang discount, nasa 3,000 per year. So, mahal. But if you're a content creator that you're already earning with your videos na ginagawa mo, then it might not be a problem or to not be too much of a problem. But for a small-time content creator that do their videos in order for them to gain some followers, mabigat yon, yung 200 na yon. Aside from CapCut, wala na kasi ako masyadong kilala na editor that could offer such convenience. Maybe you could suggest something in the comment section below. Pero yun nga, a lot of features ni CapCut are subscription already. Kailangan mo na ng subscription. But for overall usability of the app, magagamit mo pa din. But not to the extent kung paano natin siya nagagamit before. But still, it's usable. So, kung tatanungin kayo, would you still use CapCut provided na a lot of its features ay kailangan na ng subscription? Or do you have any alternative? Let me hear from you. See you in the next video.